Hey everyone, I'm Joe, part of the amazing team here at Affordable Comfort. And if you're shopping for a gas furnace, you've probably noticed there are a lot of options these days. We'll break these things down, understand what these terms mean, and help you make a decision that's best for you and your family. The other component of your furnace that can really decide how efficient and how comfortable the unit is operating is the blower motor down in the cabinet at the bottom. That blower motor can be a variety of types of motors. There can be a PSC motor, an ECM motor, or a variable-speed ECM motor. As you move up from the PSC to the ECM to the variable speed motor, you're going to improve the way the motor is able to evenly distribute the heat throughout the home, and also its ability to operate quietly so that you don't even know it's on. That variable speed ECM motor is also going to be the most energy efficient, saving you every month on your electrical bills. So what does this mean when it comes to choosing the furnace that's right for your home? Well, that PSC motor is definitely going to be the most upfront budget friendly, but it will operate a little bit louder and with a little bit less efficiency long term. It also might struggle to balance that temperature throughout your home. The ECM motor is going to jump in efficiency, and it's also going to balance the comfort across your home. And then lastly, that variable speed ECM motor is going to be whisper quiet and is going to perfectly manage temperature throughout your home. Thank you for considering Affordable Comfort for your heating needs. We're here to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. Contact us today and let one of our comfort advisors walk you through each of these steps to choose the perfect furnace for your home. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.